Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some hair transformations. This first one is of this beautiful blonde bob. So she did start off with like mid-length hair, and the stylist does cut the hair into like a shoulder length bob. Gorgeous transformation. Her hair has so much body and volume within this bob. So then we move on to transformation number 2. She is also going to be getting a bob haircut as well. This is a beautiful blunt cut bob. The hair is also cut on an angle, creating a nice line throughout. And she kept her hair nice and dark and chocolate. So then we will move on to look number 3. So she's also going to be getting a bob haircut with this one. Oh, I love it when the stylist does the makeup as well. She looks stunning. Beautiful jaw length bob, perfectly accented. The middle part down the center. So the next hair transformation is also going to feature another lob. This one is done on an angle. Those are some huge shears. I don't think I've ever seen shears that big before. So the stylist is adding in some color with this transformation as well. Oh, so she ended up going with this beautiful ombre purple bob. This is a stunning color, very unexpected. I thought she was gonna maybe go blonde, but purple, this is just beautiful. So then we move on to another bob transformation. So far this video is filled with bobs. Looks like she got a very simple jaw length bob cut. Beautiful center part. I really like her shirt. And I like the fact that she's wearing like a pop of red on her lips against like all the black tones and brown tones within her hair. So she's also getting a bob haircut. Very fresh bob. Super blunt ends as well. So then we move on to the next look. This one also features a jaw length bob. So moving on to the next transformation. So she has pretty long wavy hair. So she looks like she got a nice angled chin length style bob. So much body and volume within her haircut. Has that nice stacked shape. And then she starts off with about ear length hair. And she is cutting the hair herself. So the stylist has the clippers and they're just kind of trimming the hair down more, bleaching it. And she has got this beautiful little pixie cut, gorgeous blonde color. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these transformations.